Hello student, welcome to our social science class. Today our topic is abiotic resources, land, soil and water. It is our second chapter in geography. We already discussed our first chapter resources in our Zoom classes. In this chapter we discussed about uh, abiotic resources, land, soil and water. First we discuss about the land resources. Land resources refer to the shape from the nature of the land surface. Almost all the activity uh, we associated with land resources, or they provide shelter to both the living organisms and non-living substance. Or land resources is very essential for human beings and all other beings on the earth. It is essential product for satisfy human needs. About 30% of the area covered by the earth's surface with land, and 90% of the world total populations occupy only 30% of the land and all part of the land resources. और जो हमारी लैंड जो पॉपुलेशंस है वो इक्वली उसका जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो अनइवनली है. सम पार्ट ऑफ इज़ आइदर सेपरेटली पॉपुलेटेड और इनहेबिटेंट्स. Thus, the land is unevenly inhabited, or this uneven distribution of populations is controlled by a variety of factors like temperatures, water, fertile soil, climates, etc. People use land sources to meet their requirements. And first we discuss about the land use. We use different type of land, for example agriculture activity, forest, mining, building houses, etc. Or uses these activities or collective term as land uses. Land use refer to land under plough, grazing of animal, land used for roads, building, mining, manufacturing, marshland, waterland, and land under forest. Usually, people have their own land on which they do farming or make houses, etc. Then, a type of land. Type land are two type: private and community land. Private land, it is owned by individual. Private land is used by individual or his family member. This type of land is used for personal purpose only. Community land, it is owned by the community or some common purpose such as collections of fruits, grains, nuts, water, vegetable, medicines, herb, etc. The community land is also known as the common property resources. अब land use pattern. Land use patterns are different place. It it is depend on many factors like climate, topography, type of soil, availability of water, minerals, technology and human resources. The following conclusions can be drawn from the above. Land use pattern is selected country of the world. Australia can the 56 percent as high percentage of area under pastures, and India has cropland 57. Japan, through a small country, has 3 times more land under forest, 67% as compared to India. USA, one of the world leading grain exporter, has only 21% of land under crop as compared to India, 57 of cropland. Or among these countries, India has considerably high percentage of area under cropland. ठीक है. और ये जो हमारे मैंने जो आपको फैक्टर बताए थे कि लैंड जो फैक्टर क्या हैं जो लैंड यूज़ पैटर्न को इफेक्ट करते हैं, क्लाइमेट है, टोपोग्राफी है, टाइप ऑफ सॉइल है, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर है, मिनरल्स है, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज है. इसको हम वन बाय वन एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. तो वो क्या है हमारे, जैसे क्लाइमेट में लैंड यूज़ पैटर्न ऑफ एनी प्लेसेस डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द क्लाइमेट कंडीशंस. क्लाइमेट इज हर्स इन द पोलर रीजन एंड इक्वेटोरियल रीजन्स. Thus these areas are not suitable for the cropland and pastures. ठीक है. टोपोग्राफी, वेल ड्रेन प्लांट रीजन्स प्रोवाइड सुटेबल कंडीशन फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज़ एंड पास्चर्स. such type of land use pattern attract a huge numbers of people. Then हमारा type of soil. An adequate and well planned land use pattern can be used in these areas having fertile soils. Availability of water for a well developed and planned land use pattern. Water availability is essential. All type of forest, crop, pasture, etc. need plenty of water to survive. Minerals deposit also affect the land use pattern. For example, region having mineral deposit are used for mining purpose. Huge industries can be set up in this area. Technology and human resources both the two side of coin. Human resources use technology to convert the raw natural resources into valuable product that fulfill the requirement of the people. So human resources and technology are the most important factor of the using of land pattern. देन है यूज़फुलनेस ऑफ लैंड रिसोर्सेज, ये हमारे लिए किस तरह से यूज़फुल है लैंड रिसोर्सेज। तो लैंड रिसोर्सेज आर रिसोर्स ऑफ टिम्बर एंड अदर प्रोडक्ट्स सच एज गम, medical hubs, etc. These are the storehouse of mineral deposit. They provide rich farming grounds. Land resources are also used as a place of tourist destinations. They provide land both for personal and professional uses. Land resources provide lofty mountain, high hills, plateau, plains, rivers, pond, oceans, etc. तो ये सभी लैंड रिसोर्सेज के जो फैक्टर मैंने जो आपको मैंने रीज़न बताए हैं कि ये सारे मतलब हमारे यूज़फुलनेस है कि लैंड रिसोर्सेज हमारे लिए इस काम में आती है। जैसे ये रिसोर्स है टिम्बर एंड अदर प्रोडक्ट के, मेडिकल हब्स वगैरह के, स्टोर हाउस है मिनरल्स के, रिच फार्मिंग ग्राउंड हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं और टूरिस्ट पर्पज़ के लिए भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है और बहुत पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल यूज़ के लिए हमें लैंड प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं। लैंड रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड लॉफ्टी माउंटेन्स, हाई हिल्स, प्लेटू, प्लेन्स, रिवर्स, पॉन्ड्स, एक्सेट्रा। ठीक है, इस वीडियो के अंदर इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर हम जो हमारा सॉइल रिसोर्सेज है, वाटर रिसोर्सेज है, उनको डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।